Which heavy-duty electric lawnmower extension cord is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Voxjor 10-foot extension cord. We have the Voxjor 10-foot waterproof extension cord, priced at just $6.99. What caught my attention is its heavy-duty design and impressive versatility for both indoor and outdoor use. If you want a reliable short extension cord for quick jobs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 10-foot cord has a 16 AWG gauge and can handle up to 13 amps and 1625 watts. That means it's capable of powering small appliances, tools, and even camping gear. Plus, it's designed to be weatherproof and can withstand temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe to use in various outdoor conditions. Now, some people complained about its length being a bit short for larger lawns. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to power equipment close to a socket, it's not really a deal breaker. Just know it's not meant for far-reaching tasks. This is perfect for you if you're doing smaller jobs in your garden or around the house. Skip this one if you need more distance or have larger equipment. For under $7, it's a steal for its quality. Now, if the short length bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Huanchain 50-foot extension cord. The Huanchain 50-foot extension cord priced at $21.99. The extra length is definitely appealing, especially for larger lawns. If you want something that gives you more reach without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. This 50-foot cord has a 16 AWG gauge and can handle up to 13 amps, making it perfect for a range of outdoor equipment. It's also waterproof and cold-resistant down to -50 degrees Celsius, so you can use it year-round without worrying about wear and tear. The flexible design allows it to bend without breaking, which is crucial for those who move it around a lot. Some users mention that its thickness makes it a bit stiff to manage. Here's the thing though, that thickness contributes to its durability and safety. If you're looking for something lightweight and more manageable, this might not be the best fit, but it's perfect for heavy-duty tasks. This is great for you if you need an extension cord that can handle outdoor power tools and lights. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter cord for indoor use. With its durability, it's definitely good value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious outdoor work.
Product number 3, Powgrin 100-foot heavy-duty extension cord. We're looking at the Powgrin 100-foot heavy-duty extension cord, costing $76.99. This one really stands out with its heavy-duty capabilities and lighted indicator end. If you want a cord that can handle almost anything, this is worth a serious look. This 12-gauge cord can handle up to 15 amps and 1875 watts, which makes it suitable for heavy-duty equipment like lawnmowers and power tools. The lighted end is a nice touch, as it lets you know when the cord is powered, helping you avoid any accidental unplugging in the dark. Plus, it's weatherproof and flexible, maintaining its usability in extreme conditions. However, some reviews mention that the price might be a bit high compared to others. Here's the thing though, consider what you're getting: durability, safety, and versatility for heavy outdoor work. If you're just doing light gardening, it may not be necessary, but for serious tasks, it's a smart investment. This is perfect for you if you have substantial outdoor projects that require reliable power. Skip this one if you're just doing small tasks and want something less expensive. For those who need it, the quality justifies the price. Now, if the price is a concern, our next option provides a solid mix of affordability and features.
Product number 4, Go Green 50-foot extension cord. The list is the Go Green 50-foot extension cord. This one is a contractor-grade option with a price tag that varies, but generally falls in the affordable range. What grabbed my attention is its lighted end and durable construction. If you're looking for something that can take a beating while still showing you when it's on, this is worth a serious look. This cord is designed to handle 13 amps and 1625 watts, making it reliable for heavy-duty tools. It's moisture and abrasion resistant, so you can use it confidently outdoors. The molded plug design enhances its durability, making it easier to plug in and out without the fear of breakage. Some users have noted that it shouldn't be used with EV chargers, which is a bit of a downside. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a cord for general outdoor use, that limitation isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you need something reliable for outdoor power tools without worrying about wear and tear. Skip this one if you specifically need a cord for electric vehicles. The performance you get for the price is well worth it. Alright, that was a great mid-range option. Now let's check out a great budget-friendly pick that still delivers.
Product number 5. Skriz Cable 100-foot extension cord. We have the Skriz Cable 100-foot outdoor extension cord, priced at $39.99. What I love about this cord is its combination of length and durability. If you want a solid option for extended outdoor use without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a serious look. This cord is rated for 10 amps and 1250 watts, making it suitable for most outdoor gadgets. The IP65 waterproof rating and weatherproof design mean it can withstand the elements, so you don't have to worry about rain or snow damaging your equipment. Plus, the construction helps it remain flexible even in cold temperatures. Some users found that the 10 amp rating might limit its use with more powerful equipment. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for light to moderate tools, it's not an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable extension cord for regular lawn maintenance or gardening tasks. Skip this one if you plan on using heavy machinery that requires more power. At this price point, it's a solid choice for everyday use.
So, to recap, we looked at the Wattage 10-foot for quick jobs, the Wanchain 50-foot for more reach, the Powgrin 100-foot for heavy-duty tasks, the Go Green 50-foot for reliable outdoor use, and the Skriz Cable 100-foot for budget-friendly options. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose wisely based on what you plan to power up.